Imagine moving into your new home only to discover weak Wi-Fi, poor network coverage, and expensive upgrades are needed to support modern technology.
Mom, there's absolutely no Wi-Fi here.
I don't have any bars on my phone either. It will cost thousands to upgrade this system.
My name is Brian Diaz, founder of Diaz Tech Solutions, and that's exactly the problem we're here to solve. Today's homes rely on fast internet, smart devices, security systems, and reliable wireless coverage. However, many homes in Puerto Rico are built without the proper low-voltage infrastructure needed to support today's technology. As a result, homeowners often experience poor Wi-Fi coverage, limited network performance, and experience retrofit installations after construction is complete. Diaz Tech Solutions solves this problem by designing and installing structured cabling systems during construction or renovation. We provide professionally planned network wiring, wireless access point locations, security camera cabling, smart home infrastructure, and organized networking panels that prepare homes for today's technology and tomorrow's innovations. At Diaz Tech Solutions, we work closely with builders, developers, home flippers, and homeowners to create customized network solutions that meet each project's unique needs. Every installation is carefully planned, professionally tested, and fully documented to ensure long-term reliability and performance. What makes us different is our focus on future-ready infrastructure rather than quick fixes. Instead of simply installing equipment, we help customers avoid costly future renovations by designing scalable systems that grow with their homes. Our commitment to quality workmanship, professionalized customer service, and long-term builder partnerships allow us to deliver reliable solutions that provide lasting value. At Diaz Tech Solutions, we're connecting Puerto Rico's future one home at a time. Thank you for watching.